Okay. No. Anytime is fine. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. What happens when you don't put a time on the breakfast card? So good morning, everybody. Last night was one of those nights where, you know, cruising 101, not every day is created equal, not every sleep is created equal. It was a pretty rough night, lots of noises, moving around, and we wake up and we're right here. Pretty rough. Not so nice looking day. Not much you can do about it though. It's just part of the deal. It's part of cruising. We'll see what the day brings. Hopefully there's some stuff to do other than like napping today. We're pretty tired. We're pretty tired. Ahoy! Hello. What are you guys doing? God, if it's been really rocky on this ship, I bet you it's really rocky out there for them. Devin's finally up. Very windy, very spray-y. All right, day 3. We got a super late start today. We're all super tired, but we're also hungry, so we're gonna go eat. Are we going to brunch? Mm-hmm. All right, brunch it is.
This is the, what is it called? The Seuss birthday? 116th Dr. Seuss birthday.
So we are at brunch right now. Yeah. And the ship is rocking a lot. And I don't know if it's starting to play a little bit with how we're feeling. I think we're all a little, I mean, outside of being tired, I think we're all starting to get into that little bit of motion sickness. I don't know. I don't know. One thing to know about Sea Day Brunch. Sea Day Brunch is served in the Southern Lights restaurant, and you cannot use the app. The app does not work for Sea Day Brunch to sign in. We came in later. We did come. What time is it? It's close to noon, and they end at 1. So they might only use the app when it's busy or there aren't any vacancies or anything. So maybe that's the case. We don't know. It didn't matter. There were plenty of tables. We had no wait at all whatsoever. We don't know what we're gonna do afterwards. We're gonna maybe check around, and then we have the Facebook group slot pull is at 2 o'clock. And then we're also gonna do our own little slot pull for like Sea Day slot pull. And we're gonna start a little tradition here on the channel, and you know we'll throw like 20 bucks in a machine, and then we'll do 1 pull max bet. Whatever happens, happens, and then we cash out and be done. Sounds like something fun to do. And we'll do that every Sea Day. You know, just to mix it up a little bit. Maybe you guys will see us hit big, or maybe you'll see us lose that money really quick. Either way, it'd be pretty fun.
All right. So I had the, what was it, 12-hour French toast. I forgot to start the camera when we first got the food, so everybody's food is a little half-eaten. But there's that. Evan got the fried chicken, which is really good, actually. Michelle got a little mac and cheese. Her and Evan are sharing. And she also got steak and eggs, which there's not much left of any of it, so.
The steak wasn't very big.
No, the steak was like maybe like this.
Yeah. Kind of the way it works. It's good. Yeah, everything's pretty good. Well, I am officially seasick. So I just took some Dramamine. Bring it with you. Always bring it with you if you're going on a cruise. This is our 8th cruise, and I still am getting seasick. It's always usually the first couple of days that it comes and goes, and sometimes it's worse than other times, but yeah, so I think it's time to rest it up a little bit and try again. We do have the slot pull, still plan on attending, maybe just take a little nap or something. Hopefully I feel better, and we'll see how the day goes. If not, you may be seeing Michelle and Evan a lot more today.
5 hours later.
Alright, well, back at it.
5.
Yeah, it's 5 now. I missed the slot pull, but we are still gonna do the C-Day slot pull for just us. You guys get to see that. Yeah, had to nap a little while, just wasn't feeling good. Still not really feeling great, but I can't just sleep all day. So let's go see. We're gonna walk around a little bit. All right, so this is Club 02. So this is the 15 to 17, right? Mm-hmm. We got foosball. A whole bunch of seating areas. What's in here? What's the TVs for?
You can hook up systems to them.
What?
Well, they have systems hooked up.
Like monitors and stuff underneath here? That's cool. They got like a DJ booth in there.
Not really.
Big like dance floor. They have a bar. It's a game bar.
You can play music.
And then music. And then, this is an arcade?
Yeah.
Is this the arcade? Ah, okay, cool. All right. So yeah, what do you do? What do you do when you come in here? You just walk in, no sign up, no nothing.
Yeah, just walk in.
When you're in the older group, you don't have to. You don't have to do any of that, and you kind of come and go as you please. And so just be aware if you have the older teenagers.
Would you like me to hold it?
No. Ice cream, ice cream. Yeah, it's very windy and it's not looking too good over there. So just as another added, bonus, your cold balcony comes with a light too. Switch the light on, even when it's dark outside, like it is now. Yeah, it's not very nice out there. You can't get lucky every time, and this is, I think I said it earlier. Cruising is one of those things you can't control the ocean, and you got to make the best of what you got. Even if you're getting a little sick, you realize that this is still, it's still a beautiful sight, whether or not it's sunny and tropical. There's still thousands of feet of sea below us that we just don't understand, and have a hard time respecting, but it's cool. Nope. Very wet and windy. Alright, so this is the grill in the back. All the different things available. Getting myself a ham and cheese sandwich and some cookies. Alright guys, well, a pretty uneventful night. We we are just turning in for the night. We do have St. Martin tomorrow at about 9 a.m. So we're gonna turn in, and that's gonna be that. Yeah, so if you like the videos, you know, give them a thumbs up. If you like the channel or anything we're doing, hit the subscribe button, leave us some comments, give us some feedback. Yeah, so I guess it's see you tomorrow for day 4 at St. Martin.